Hi everyone, and welcome back to our channel Future Forward AE. In this video, I'll be explaining what Promptstacks is and how to use it with examples on ChatGPT, Midjourney, and Bard. What is Promptstacks? Promptstacks is a community-driven platform where people can share and discover generative AI tips and tricks. Users can also discuss prompt engineering and general industry news. The goal of Promptstacks is to help people get the most out of generative AI by providing them with a place to share their knowledge and experience, and to learn from others. How to use Promptstacks. Promptstacks is a very easy-to-use platform. All you need to do is sign up for an account and start browsing the content. You can also share your own tips and tricks or discuss prompt engineering with other users. Now, let's take a look at some examples of how you can use Promptstacks with ChatGPT, Midjourney, and Bard. These examples are taken from our website. Use Promptstacks to create prompts for ChatGPT. To generate creative text formats of text content like poems, code, scripts, musical pieces, email, letters, etc. For example, you could create a prompt like write a poem about a robot who falls in love with a human, or write a code snippet that prints out the Fibonacci sequence. Use Promptstacks to create prompts for Midjourney. To generate high-quality images and videos. For example, you could create a prompt like generate an image of a cityscape that looks like it's from a science fiction movie, or generate a video of a cat playing with a ball of yarn. Use Promptstacks to create prompts for Bard. To generate text, translate languages, write different kinds of creative content, and answer your questions in an informative way. For example, you could create a prompt like translate this sentence from English to French, or write a blog post about the benefits of using Promptstacks. Promptstacks is a great resource for anyone who wants to learn more about generative AI, or who wants to get the most out of their generative AI models. I hope you found this video helpful. Please let me know if you have any questions. Thanks for watching. If you found this video helpful, please like and subscribe. And if you have any questions, please let me know in the comments below.